Look at this. It's the man with the bucket. Are you Parker? Nope. You're not Parker neither, are you? Alright, give me a chance to get out. Absolutely beautiful colours on these birds. So stunning. Oh, we've got 3 of them coming in now. We've got a female here. Oh, there's the female. Is that one Parker? You want some sweetheart? No? What is it? What's your scourges up? Can you come in? Yeah, sweet. You like the mealworms?
You've got me covered there, please.
Sorry. Oh my god.
How do you?
I have no idea.
Come here, peacock. I love a peacock. Why are they out? They're never out.
They're always out.